Stop. Before you try to fix your YouTube AdSense error randomly, you need to hear this. Because one wrong step can delay your monetization or even block your payments completely. Most creators struggle with this because they don't know the exact cause. In this video, I will show you the real reasons behind YouTube AdSense errors and the exact steps to fix them quickly and safely. First, you're going to open your browser and then you're going to head over to adsense.google.com. You're just going to sign in with a Google account that is linked to your YouTube channel. Once inside, you're going to look at the top of the dashboard for any red or yellow alert banners. These banners will usually tell you exactly what the error is and what needs to be fixed. Go to your account settings next. Just click on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left and then just go to account. Now you're going to make sure that all of your personal information is filled out correctly, including your full name, address, and payment method. Incomplete information is a very common cause of AdSense errors. Now, if your account shows a policy violation, you're going to click on the alert to read what the violation is about. And then you're going to head over to your YouTube Studio. Just going to click on YouTube Studio right there. And then from here, you are going to review what the violation is about. You're going to review the flagged video or content and either edit it or remove it to comply with YouTube monetization policies. Now, to check if your AdSense and YouTube accounts are properly linked, you're going to head over to your YouTube Studio once again, but this time I'm going to head over to my browser and then search it from there. And then from here, you're going to just click on the earn in the left side menu. You can find that by clicking on the three horizontal lines right there. Just click on it, and then from there you're going to click on earn. Now from the earn menu, if your AdSense account is not connected, you will see an option to link it. So you're just going to follow the steps on screen to connect them properly. And then after that, if the error message is still showing after all these trying steps, just scroll to the bottom of the AdSense or YouTube help page and click contact us to reach their support team directly. You can just click on it right here. And then that's it. That is how you're going to fix YouTube AdSense error. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.